I came up with this tagline: give your business the competitive edge. I launched into LinkedIn lead generation, which didn't exist in Australia. A couple of people doing it in America, but it was very expensive. We pretty much just created this product, right? And we learned as we go, created the service, and the results were just so much far superior than anything else on the market for business-to-business lead generation. Comes to other digital marketing services, my expertise do cross all facets of digital marketing, search engine optimization, Google advertising, but I didn't feel comfortable launching a service even in those areas unless it was cutting edge. And when I say cutting edge, I mean like better than the rest by at least double, like, you know, something that's unique, so unique. I mean, video marketing's always been a trend, right? And I'm looking at where things are going next, because I did 12 months of testing and measuring. I've done YouTube videos, webinars, I've done live events, I've done Facebook videos, I've done Facebook ads, I've done Instagram ads, I've done Snapchat. LinkedIn videos been around 4 or 5 months now, and they've just created LinkedIn ads. Go figure, right? Because we've been doing LinkedIn marketing for 5 years. As soon as we trial what we've been doing on other platforms on LinkedIn, the results have been 5 times as strong. The results on other platforms, and most video marketers will agree with me on this, are just declining. You can't get as much organic reach on other platforms anymore. You know, it's very competitive. A lot of people are advertising there. LinkedIn, it's new. The results are improving. You know, they're really good. Most businesses or even marketers that are on other platforms don't know how to purpose content for LinkedIn, because it is very different. It's in the newsfeed, 10 minutes maximum, and people are on LinkedIn to do business. They're not there to hang out. Creates engagement is emotion. When you build a network on LinkedIn and you keep top of mind with them, it's the same as if you called everyone in your network once a week and said, hey, how you going? Just wanted to touch base, see how I are. Thought I might share with you this tip, or I might, you know, tell you what's going on in our business. You're doing that phone call to the masses by posting content. You're not supposed to know the best way to create videos and the best way to get engagement. You're supposed to know your business. That's the way that you're able to grow your business. It's my job to hack LinkedIn's attention and reformat your content in a way that creates engagement, so you're top of mind with your network, to grow your network with your target audience, so you've got key decision makers in industries which are relevant for your brand, so that when they are ready to make a purchasing decision, you're the first person that they think of. I'm sure you can zoom in on this, but I would have checked my LinkedIn messages an hour ago before we started filming. Look at all these new messages. Like, I'm not reaching out to anyone. These are all inbound, just from people that happen to see the video, and it's a different kind of lead. The human attention span is scientifically proven to be less than a goldfish now. We are forgetting things quicker than ever. You've got to be saying it over and over and over and over and over again so people get it.